What's up, little squad? It's me, Girl Gamer, back on Nintendo Switch 1, and this is Legend ZA Shiny Hunting. Some will be setting soon, and I don't care. Alright, so how ZA Shiny Hunting works? Well, there's a lot of methods, I think. But what the method I'm going to do is because in this Wild Zone 20, in Centrico Plaza, I'm gonna put a spoiler alert here. This is the Wild Zone that you unlock. You unlock after you finish the game. And there's always two alphas directly underneath the tower. That tower. And then there are two random Pokemon. They're not set Pokemon like the other alphas, like Alpha Bellsprout and Alpha Houndoom. So when I get out of their render distance and then I put them back in my render distance, they're new Pokemon with new chances to be shiny. I'm gonna use the bench. The bench here. So that's how I shiny hunted Zaire. It's a Garbodor. Where's the other one? I don't know. But the sun's about to set, so I'm just gonna sit instead. Kill some time here. Yes. Why do I feel like there's no sound? There, we have sound now. Alright. Hang on, the volume is too loud. I'm going to lower it a bit, so that my voice isn't overpowered. Alright, I'm gonna get out of the render distance. That's enough. Ooh, no, Bulbasaur. I like catching off. Why is it R working? There. Hurricane. Oh! Oh dear. No! Alpha Bulbasaur. Hang on. Sorry, I have a bad cough. Alright. There. Yes! Alpha Bulbasaur. There's also random alphas there. There now. Here now. Crocodile and Glaceon. I don't think any of them are shiny. I'm grabbing this. Grabbing this. Run for your life. Run for your life. Run for your life. There's an Alpha Crocodile, and since it chased me, I need to be farther to get it out of my render distance. I'm gonna go all the way to Wild Zone 3. There's an Alpha Litleo here. Let's check if they're shiny. Oh no. Oh, Flabébé is too. It would be epic if I found the shiny Flabébé, because my first Pokerogue shiny was Poker Rogue, that's not shiny. Poker Rogue is a fan game that I have played. And I am in the middle of making those videos at the time of posting this video. But if you're watching this sometime after I've uploaded it, then check out those videos, the Poker Rogue videos after you watch this one. It will be fun and annoying and extremely annoying. Let's keep that chance. Not shiny. Not shiny. I literally don't have the shiny forms memorized. Run for your life. I'm at red health. Right. Hang on. Ghost Mario. By the way, my Lucario is shiny. That was the shiny that you heard. And I'm just gonna use my Mega Metagross next time so that I can get my Mega charged up again. Gyarados, Noimer, grab that thing, Scrafty, I mean the evolution of Scrafty, I think. We're like a third of the way done through the video, and I don't have a shiny yet, but that's fine, because it literally took me days to get my first Shalfa through this method. And I found a Gardevoir, which is not important. Armory and that thing. It's fully good, yes, fully good. Halfway, officially halfway. Officially halfway. Fun fact, my first 3 shinies in this game were all Pokemon that MNJTV likes. Well, not MNJTV himself. One of his characters, the Team Sky leader. What was his name? Mikey. I don't know for sure, but I know for sure that it's the Team Sky leader. Because my first shiny was when I fell off a building randomly. I accidentally fell off a building, and then near where I fell there was a small pond, and there was a shiny Magikarp. That was so amazing. But sadly I failed the next shiny. I was doing the Wildzone 20 method, and then when I went out I saw a shiny Fletchling while it was fleeing from me, and I didn't save in time to get the Fletchling. But so there's a flying type, Team Sky. By the way, Magikarp is a Team Sky Pokemon because it evolves to Gyarados, which is a flying type. And MNGTV likes Dragon that's sleeping. Double Furfrou! Alright. And then then I was like, don't worry, Turtle Gamer. Everything happens for a reason. And then a bit while after, I found my 3rd shiny, and it was a Shalfa through the Wildzone 20 method. Through this method, it was a Shalfa. Guess what? Gyarados. Yeah, a Gyarados, man. I got 2 shinies. I was thinking, should I evolve my shiny Magikarp that I gave Goldie or not? So I left the gold. But now I know that I shouldn't, because I already have a shiny Gyarados. Got a shiny Gyarados. And if you're wondering Turtle Gamer, why are you talking about Shani Lucario? I got this from a friend. Chikorita. What? Yes! We are officially more than 2/3 of the video over. I hope this episode of Shiny Hunting was fun for you guys. Sadly uneventful though. Hope I get a shiny. That's a Blade and a Gyarados. A regular old Gyarados. No! I wanna use my Shuffle Gyarados in the game. But I already have water coverage with Electro and flying coverage with Dragonite, and Dragonite with fire coverage. So I'd have to change the whole team if I added my Shuffle Gyarados. By the way, my starter is Meganium. Meganium, my name Menchi. Like Meganium Chikorita. Is that a... I don't know if either those are shiny, but the same are proportion at least. Hang on. Yeah, something happened off cam, but it's fine now. There's some... No. Of course it's shiny. No. Oh! Wasn't that this? It's not a shiny, right? It's not a shiny, right? So why am I battling it? I don't know. I'm not looking at my screen while I play. When I record like this, I look at my recording device. And either I'm holding the switch, that's why sometimes it's a little shaky like this. Or this time I'm using a stand on my switch, just holding the Joy-Cons. Got less than 2 minutes. Let's find the shine. I have a cough from eating too many of the coffee candies I bought recently. It's just they're so yummy. But I ate like 5 today. I'm wasting time with this thing. I have a ton of them. And none of them are shiny. And the house is shiny. And I don't have a shiny Bulbasaur. But I have a shiny Venusaur. I have tons of shinies. But they're all from friends. They let them